Welcome to Crash Cases, where every turn tells a story of risk reaction and reality. These aren't movie scenes. They're moments that changed lives in seconds. Watch closely. Learn fast. Every frame is a reminder of how fragile control can be. Buckle up. Eyes forward. Let's see what happens when caution comes too late. An overloaded Kamaz truck with failed brakes crashed into 17 cars. Overloading kills control, maintain your brakes, respect safety limits. If he had arrived a second earlier, it could have been his last trip. Stay alert to everything around you. Thankfully, no one was hurt. A car lost control and sped into a gas station, injuring a man who was walking into the store. Loss of control happens. Fast drive, steady, stay aware. Multiple vehicles, including a semi-truck, crashed on the highway after a snowstorm reduced visibility. In bad weather, slow down and keep a safe distance. Slippery roads caused a serious traffic crash on the Cheetah Highway. Wet or icy roads demand caution, slow down, and steer smoothly. A truck lost control and crashed into a school. Frightening reminder: always check your brakes and control your speed near crowded areas.
Что-то я так и подумал, что он может.
Давай еще.
Хочу на...
Losing control on a curve, an SUV hit a power pole. Footage shows the driver lost grip while turning. Slow before curbs control saves lives. A bus stopped illegally to pick up passengers and was rear-ended by a truck, injuring 18 people. Obey traffic laws. Safety starts with discipline. Severe crash between a tanker truck and a car at an intersection. Intersections are risky. Slow down and follow the traffic lights. Speed fades, impact lasts. Every clip in crash cases is more than shock. It's a lesson written in metal and motion. Stay sharp behind the wheel. Don't drive distracted. One blink can redraw your life. Respect the road. Protect yourself. If this made you think twice, share and subscribe for more real stories that save lives.